In this video, I'll show you how to install Ocean Streams on Firestick. First and foremost, you need to make sure that you have the downloader app. Now, once you have that installed, go ahead and launch your Firestick. Open the downloader and use your remote to highlight the enter a URL or search term section. Enter the following code and then click go. The file will start to download and you will be asked if you want to install it. Now, select install. Select done. We are going to delete the installation file to save space on your stick and select delete. Select delete again. Go back to your Firestick home screen and select the apps section. Select my apps and Ocean Streams will be located at the end. And that is how you can basically install Ocean Streams on your Firestick simply with a downloader. If this video helped you out, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos.